Brandenburg Gate and the Berlin Wall.
Hello kids! Today we are in Berlin, Germany. Behind me you can see the Brandenburg Gate. This structure is one of the most iconic landmarks in Germany. It stands at the western end of Unter den Linden, a major avenue in central Berlin, and is a symbol of Germany's history, unity, and European heritage. The Brandenburg Gate was constructed between 1788 and 1791 during the Prussian King Frederick William II. It was designed by architect Karl Gotthard Langhans in the neoclassical style. When it was built, the Brandenburg Gate symbolized peace and served as a triumphal arch representing the strength of the Prussian Empire. Moreover, during the Cold War, the Brandenburg Gate became a powerful symbol of the division between East and West Berlin. After the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989, it became a symbol of Germany's reunification, ending the division between East and West. Follow me to learn more about the Berlin Wall. The Berlin Wall was built in 1961 by the Russians who occupied East Germany and East Berlin. It separated West Berlin from the parts of Germany which were under Russian control. It was built to prevent East Germans from leaving for West Berlin, where there was more freedom and a better quality of life. The barrier system spanned approximately 155 kilometers. This wall became the symbol of the Cold War that started after the end of World War II, between the Russians and the Americans. Here we are near a part of the Berlin Wall. This wall divided the city of Berlin, separating families and friends for many years. In fact, Germans who lived on different sides of the wall couldn't visit each other. This was very sad because some people didn't see their loved ones and friends for many years. Crossing the wall was extremely dangerous since there were watchtowers and guards along the wall. In this area of Berlin, you can see how the wall cutting through a street divided the city. As the demand for freedom from East Germans increased, so did pressure to put down the wall. Finally, in November of 1989, the Berlin Wall started to be dismantled. People from both sides met and hugged each other after so many years. It was really a happy historic moment. However, as we witnessed already, some parts of the wall are still standing today as a reminder of the past. Hopefully, humanity will learn from its history and avoid repeating the same mistakes. That's all, kids. See you next time from another place.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.